you hold this album?
The same thing I told you.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Dchester, and if you are on my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Link that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video, you will be alerted first. And please don't forget to like and comment on my video. So welcome back. It's another day, another dollar. Your boy Dchester is back in the building right now, giving you some good news, giving you some special news, updating you, entertaining you, and also educating you. So thank you for subscribing to get 30,000 subscribers. Okay, the video that I have for you for today is very special. I know Johnson Dalanda Ninkwataka special video, but ka video kari special in such a way that you know, if you listen to the video that I have for you for today, you will be amazed. Amazed. Some of you will be amazed. You'll be shocked. Let me just say, you will be shocked, because the video that I have for you for today is dealing with big names in the Zambian music industry. Okay, big hip hop artist names in the Zambian music industry. Okay, so I am a day's quality and a video. Akaka Muzo, actually, you know, he was invited by Helen, you know, to be interviewed on our show, which is Getting Candid with Helen. That's where Muzo had, you know, answered a lot of questions concerning his life and his music career, and that's where he had said that my album Tekwa Nemitundu Shibiri wasn't released by Alpha Entertainments. So Alpha Entertainments record label, if you don't know it, it's a record label which is owned by Makitu. Mulaza Kaila is the one who owns that, you know, music record label. Okay, so Muzo was signed to Alpha Entertainment. Then Muzo had refused to renew the contract with Alpha Entertainment. I know I had made a video yesterday where I was talking about this same thing, this same issue. Okay, but for today I have more information about the battle between Makitu and Muzo, aka Alfonso. Not specifically Makitu, but Alpha Entertainments and Muzo, aka Alfonso. So what happened was that according to the information that I got, I researched for this information, you know, Makitu failed to release Muzo, aka Alfonso's album in 2014. Okay, in 2014 Makitu declined releasing, you know, Muzo, aka Alfonso's album Tekwa Nemitundu Shibiri. Okay, what they did was that Makitu, I think he wasn't happy about the same album. He wasn't, you know, impressed maybe with the album. That's why he had decided not to release the album, because the type of music that was in that album, according to the way he was explaining, I'll show you a audio that has leaked, which is you know, showing Makitu, you know, saying that the reason why I didn't, you know, release Muzo, aka Alfonso's album was this and that. Okay, so then after Makitu failed to release Muzo, aka Alfonso's album, because he didn't like the music type that was in Muzo, aka Alfonso's album, that's why Makitu had decided not to release the album. They had, you know, released the album, but sefe bapanga ma CDs bapera Muzo, aka Alfonso at asenda. But if we as a record label, we are not going to advertise the album, we are not going to promote the album, we are not going to launch the album. Okay, so Muzo bali mupera task yakwe but nakwata record label. He has a record label which he signed to, but that same record label is giving him all the works to do by himself. You know, the record label is not doing anything. That's why Muzo aka Alfonso had failed to renew the contract with Alpha Entertainment. It's because the Alpha Entertainment bali kana ukuchita promote album yaka Muzo. Futi ba Alpha Entertainment bali kana ukuchita this album yaka Muzo public. Okay? Bali kana ukuchita this album yaka Muzo public. Pamulando kwa Makitu didn't like the songs which were in Muzo aka Alfonso's album. That's why the album wasn't released. It's not that I'm saying this just from my head. No, these are the things which were said by Makitu himself when he was being interviewed by DJ Shosta. So Makitu has been exposed. You know, he was saying that we released the album, we released the album, Shanisha Nyuko, Kanshi touched this album. Makitu was refusing. Even his record label, you know, signed artists that are signed to his record label. They also said that, you know, Makitu had released Muzo aka Alfonso's album. Kanshi, Makitu touched this album. So kulika audio akade trending. I'll be showing you very soon a audio where you will listen. Makitu himself refusing, declining to release Muzo aka Alfonso's album because he didn't like the type of music which was in that album. Okay, he said that people wouldn't buy the music type that was in Muzo aka Alfonso's album. That's why he had, you know, the album on hold, and that's why he had released Heart of a Lion, you know, the album of Chef 187 in 2015. That's when the contract between, you know, Muzo and Alpha Entertainment had ended, and that's the same time they had asked him if they would renew the contract that they had with him. But what's the purpose of renewing a contract with someone when you know that Uriomuntu, you are not even, you know, advertising his album, you are not promoting his album, you are requiring that same person umwineka artist Muzo aka Alfonso actually this album padwakwe kwatita kwata record label. So I have a audio that leaked on social media where you will listen Makitu himself explaining the reason why he didn't release Muzo aka Alfonso's album. Watch the video, guys.
Did you hold his album? The same thing I told you, man. I'm not going to put out an album right now. You know what I mean? People are not ready to buy an album. They're ready to download stuff on Ndimba. You know what I mean? And the few people that are ready to buy are a mature audience. They're not going to buy Moses' album. Let's be honest. Come on, guys. For what song? Which song? There's a bunch of your buddies who's going to love his music, and they're not going to buy it. They're going to download his. Did you hold his album? The same thing I told you, man. I'm not going to put out an album right now. You know what I mean? People are not ready to buy an album. They're ready to download stuff on Ndimba. You know what I mean? And the few people that are ready to buy are a mature audience. They're not going to buy Moses' album. Let's be honest. Come on, guys. For what song? Which song? There's a bunch of your buddies who's going to love his music, and they're not going to buy it. They're going to download his. did you hold his album? The same thing I told you, man. I'm not gonna put out an album right now. You know what I mean? People are not ready to buy an album. They're ready to download stuff on Ndimba. You know what I mean? And the few people that are ready to buy a mature audience, they're not gonna buy Moses' album. Let's be honest. Come on, guys. For what song? Which song? There's a bunch of your Balis who's gonna love his music, and they're not gonna buy it. They're gonna download his